Okay, so what is this new channel, Prepare Every Needful Thing? That's what I want to talk about today. Stay tuned. Hello friends and family. Thank you for taking a minute to check this out. I am super excited. This is episode number 1. As you may have guessed from the title, this channel is about preparedness. I feel like preparedness is on everybody's mind lately, at least just a little. I also feel like I have something to offer, or maybe it's more of a confession. Hello, my name is Russell Liston, and I'm a prepper. I'm sorry, that didn't sound quite right. Please don't repeat that. Okay, moving on. So what is this channel all about? I thought you'd never ask. I think the name says it all. Prepare every needful thing. I think we all have questions about what preparedness is. I also think we could do better to understand what disasters and situations we may face. And if we understood those situations better, maybe there's a way that we could prepare for them long before they ever happen. That is, if they ever happen, which I hope they don't. On this channel, I want to try to answer your questions and give guidance, and then allow you to tailor it to your unique situation, because everybody's situation seems to be a bit different. To some of you, this is not going to sound exciting at all. But if you want to give me a chance, I'm going to do my best to help you feel a little peace of mind concerning how prepared you are, because I'm sure at some level you are. And remember, you don't need to prepare everything, just every needful thing. Okay, I've got an assignment for you. It's a 2-part question, and I'd really like you to think about it. The first part is, do you want to prepare every needful thing? And the second part is why? Let me go first. My answer is yes, I want to prepare every needful thing. And why? It's got to be for my kids. Imagine your kids, or your grandkids, or the neighbor kids coming up to you during a disaster situation and saying, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm cold, I've got to use the bathroom, I'm bleeding, I have a headache. Whatever they may ask, what will you do for them? How are you going to help? Well, I want to be able to help, and that's why I prepare. You know what? I would love to hear your answer to these questions. If you would, please leave them in the comments below. I have a thought to share with you today from Stephen King's book, Different Seasons. In it, it says, "There's no harm in hoping for the best as long as you are prepared for the worst." Isn't that great? If this information sounds interesting to you, I'd love to have you be on this journey with me. Please feel free to subscribe, and we'll have more videos coming out soon. And if you would like to be notified of those, I think there's a bell to push over here. And also, if you'd like to share with other people that might be interested in this, please do. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thanks.